Find features that distinguish it from other brands for BIPOLARLIGHT 650 watt snow machine, Snowflake maker with wireless remote, fake snow maker machine. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, there are features include snow machines for outdoors and indoor. BIPOLARLIGHT snow machine outputs 2000 cubic feet per minute at 6.5 to 10 feet or 2 to 3 meters distance. Snow maker machine to create a romantic snow scene for all year round. Safe and non-toxic. Fake snow machine just need to pour snow fluid. It is compatible with snow fluid for snow machine on the market. Snow machine liquid is not included. Comes with a 1200 milliliters tank for long-lasting, non-toxic snowflake production. The snow machine also contains a visual fluid meter. Easy to use. Our newly upgraded Snowflake machine can adjust the size of snowflakes by controlling the air volume switch on the back of the machine. Or it can be wirelessly controlled, without a battery, to allow you to adjust the output from a distance. Compact and portable. The Stage Snow machine has a handle for easy carrying, and it's light but durable. It is made of aluminum and iron for better heat dissipation and long lifespan. It also has a easy installation hanging bracket for outdoors, indoor, wedding, holidays, fiestas, DJ parties, photography, events making. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.